Okay, let's start with a silent prayer. I know that my face is not familiar to you, right?
Ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Rosmi George and I'm your new chemistry teacher. Okay. Rachel, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Meghna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Navaneet? Where is Navaneet? How are you?
Fine.
Okay. Please switch on your all cameras. And switch on your audio whenever I ask question. Okay. Okay. According to the this syllabus or revised syllabus, the first chapter, the major portions of the first chapter are deleted for this academic year. So we start from the second chapter. Okay. The name of the chapter itself is Matter Around Us Pure. Okay. The chapter names itself as a question, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now to answer this question, we should know two things. First one is matter and the second one is pure. Uh, Lena,
Yes, ma'am.
can you define what is matter?
Matter is a substance which occupies space.
Okay, very good. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Okay, give an example. Any example?
Solid, liquid, gases.
Okay, solid, liquid, gas, it is the states of matter. The air we breathe, the stones, cloud, plants, animals, everything is matter. Okay, so matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. Okay, the next one is word pure. What is mean by pure in common? Angelo,
I'm not familiar with that word.
not clear.
I'm not familiar with that word in chemistry.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
I can't hear.
I'm not familiar with that word.
Okay, okay. In common, we means pure, no impurity or no adulteration, right? But when it comes in science, it has a different meaning. Okay, pure substance has, otherwise, pure substance consists of single type of particle. Okay, pure substance made up of single particle. Okay, then when we look at a glass of milk, can we say it as pure?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, no. Why?
We cannot see that clearly.
Okay, in science, we can consider pure substances, the pure substance made up of only one kind of particle. Okay, then what is the opposite of pure?
Impure.
Sweda?
Impure.
Impure, right. We can tell otherwise as mixture. So mixture consists of more than one particle or more than made up of different kinds of particle. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Pure substance consists of one particle and Mixtures consist of more than one particle. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then I will show you certain examples of pure substance and mixtures. Okay.
Okay.
Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Which are the examples of pure substances?
So,
Yeah, pure sugar, pure salt. Then what is this?
Gold.
Yeah, gold. And this is
water.
Salt.
water drop. So all these particles consist of single type of substance. Okay, gold contains gold particles. Water drop contains H2O particles. Then sugar and salt contains respective particles. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the next one, examples of mixtures. We already learned that mixtures consist of different types of particles. So which are the examples of mixtures here?
Milk.
Milk. Soil.
Roshan,
Yes, ma'am.
which are the examples?
Milk and soil.
Yeah, milk and soil, because milk consists of more than one particle like proteins, water, etc. In the case of soil, it consists of sand, clay, dirt, etc. Okay, so milk and soil are examples of mixtures. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now, can you answer my question?
Yes, ma'am.
Is matter around us pure? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Why? Rachel, why?
There are three types: soil, liquid, gas.
No. Matter exists in two forms here,
Ah,
pure substance
p-
and mixtures. In the case of pure substance, it is pure. But in the case of mixtures, it is impure, right?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So today we learned about matter can exist in two forms, that is pure substance and mixtures. Okay. Solid, liquid and gas are three states of matter. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then we can move to the properties of pure substance. I will share the screen for you. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the properties of pure substances. The first one, it is made up of only one kind of particle. That we already learned, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then the second one, the pure substances are homogeneous in nature. What is meant by homogeneous? Fisan, where are you? I think he is not there. Eva, Eva, please unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know what is meant by homogeneous?
Ma'am, is it a mixture of many?
What? Say loudly. Don't know. That's fine. Okay. The same composition throughout. That means there is no variation in the composition. The same particle is occupied everywhere in the substance. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Then the third point cannot be separated by physical means. What is mean by physical means? There are different methods to separate particles. Filtration, evaporation, then crystallization, hand picking, sieving, etc. Okay. We cannot separate a pure substance by physical means. Why? Because there is only one particle. Then how can we separate it? Okay. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then the fourth point, the physical and chemical properties are same. Okay. There is
Yes,
only
ma'am.
one particle. So the physical and chemical properties of the whole substance is same. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think the properties of pure substances are clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then we can move to the properties of mixtures. Okay.
Okay.
Then these are the properties of mixtures. First one, we already learned. What is the first point, Fizan?
Made up of different kinds of particles.
Made up of different kinds of particle that we already learned. Then the second point, there are two types of mixtures. Two types of mixtures. In the case of pure substance, we learned that there is homogeneous mixtures. They are homogeneous in nature. That is same composition throughout. Here the mixtures are of two types, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. We can learn it later. Then the uh, third point can be separated by physical means. In the case of pure substance, it cannot be separated by physical means. But in the case of mixtures, we can separate it by physical means. Which are the physical methods that I already told to you?
Filtration,
Yeah,
evaporation, and sieving.
very good. Then next point shows the properties of constituent particles in a mixture. In the case of pure substance, they have same chemical and physical properties. In the case of mixture, it shows the properties of the constituent particles. Okay? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we can learn detail about homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Then what is a homogeneous mixture? It has uniform composition, the same composition throughout. Okay. Then the second one, not able to distinguish the particle. Okay. When you consider the example, salt in water or sugar in water, we can able to distinguish the particle when it is dissolved.
No, ma'am.
No. So we said that not able to distinguish the particle. Okay. Then the heterogeneous mixtures, they are non-uniform in composition and able to distinguish the particles. Consider the example, oil in water. Is we able to distinguish the particle?
No, ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
Oil in water. The oil is on the surface and the water in the bottom. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
And what about sand and water?
Yes, ma'am.
Sand is deposited at the bottom of the container and the water is on the
Oh,
top of the container, right? So
yes, ma'am.
we able to distinguish the particle in the case of heterogeneous mixtures. And in the case of composition, it is not same everywhere. In the top of the container, only water. In the bottom of the container, only sand. So there is no similar composition throughout. Clear?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then I will ask question.
Okay, ma'am.
So I stop sharing this. Rohan,
Yes, ma'am.
which are the two types of substances that we learned, or what are the two forms of matter? Two types of matter. Rohan? Don't know? Okay. Raya, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you answer the question? Which are the two types of matter?
Homogeneous and heterogeneous.
Two types of matter.
Matter, pure and mixture.
Yeah, pure substance and mixtures. Which are the two types of matter? Is it visible?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Wait.
It's zoomed in.
Now it's visible, right?
No, ma'am.
No?
Zoomed that screen, mouse.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. So, pure substances.
We can't see the board, ma'am.
Not see? Not able to see?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Wait. Now,
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
matter can be divided into pure substances and mixtures. Okay. Okay. Which are the two types of mixtures?
Homogeneous and
Nabil,
heterogeneous.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Which are the two types of mixtures that we learned today?
Homogeneous
Homogeneous.
and
Homogeneous.
heterogeneous.
And next one?
Heterogeneous.
Okay.
Heterogeneous.
Very good. Clear?
Ma'am.
So these are the
Yes, ma'am.
two main points that we discussed today. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, let's take the attendance. Aaron Jose Thomas.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Agna Ando. Agna absent. Yeah, okay. Alisha Shaji.
Present, ma'am.
Present.
Yes, ma'am.
Alisha. Okay. Anuj MS.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Angelo Susan Jindo.
Present, ma'am.
Ashna Anthony.
Present, ma'am.
CR Godwin.
Present, ma'am.
CR Lena.
Present, ma'am.
Chrisjo P. Jijo. Absent, right?
No, ma'am. Present,
Okay, okay.
present.
Delvin Shalu.
I am present.
Present.
Okay, okay. Delvin Shalu.
Present.
Absent, right? Yeah.
Present.
Present.
Present. Present?
Yes, ma'am.
Elena Rose. Okay. Isha Sara.
Present, ma'am.
Eva George.
Present, ma'am.
Fatimat Shifana. No. Fisan Ahmad.
Present, ma'am.
Krishna Chaudhary. Okay. Maria Salbin.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, Shifana is here.
Okay. Meghna Baiju.
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Nihal AJ.
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Nasil. Present.
Present, ma'am.
Nabil KM.
Present, ma'am.
Navaneet Krishna.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Nasrin PK.
Present, ma'am.
Noble Anil.
Present, ma'am.
Rachel George.
Present, ma'am.
Rachel Boban.
Present, ma'am.
Raya Hazim.
Present, ma'am.
Rohan Raj.
Present, ma'am.
Rohan Saju. Roland Francis.
Present, ma'am.
Roshan Jain.
Present, ma'am.
Shankar A. Shweda VP.
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu Shaji.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, so today we learned about what is matter. Matter is anything that
Matter.
occupies space and has mass. Then matter has two forms, pure substances and mixtures. Pure substances consist of single type of particle and mixtures consist of more than one type of particle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Shifana. Shifana.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
What are the two types of mixtures that we learned today?
Pure and impure mixture.
Two types of mixtures. Shifana, please unmute your audio.
Yes, ma'am.
What are the two types of mixtures? You don't remember? Okay, what about Ashna?
Ma'am,
Which are the two types of mixtures?
homogeneous and heterogeneous.
Not audible.
Ma'am, homogeneous and heterogeneous.
Very good. Homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous, what is meant by homogeneous? Rohan? Rohan?
Yes, ma'am.
What is mean by homogeneous mixture? Eva, can you help him?
What can I say?
Homogeneous mixture is a mixture of two or more substances.
Not audible.
Homogeneous mixture is a mixture of two or more mixtures.
Same composition throughout. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what about heterogeneous mixtures? Shweta? Non-uniform composition. And are we able to distinguish the particle? Yes or no?
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
No?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we are able to distinguish the particle in the case of heterogeneous mixtures, and we not able to distinguish the particle in the case of homogeneous mixture. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rachel, can you give an example for a homogeneous mixture?
Homogeneous. Air.
Air. Okay, air. The amount of nitrogen, oxygen, that is in a fixed amount. But what about the other particles? It can may be varied. So you can give example as pure salt solution or pure sugar, then pure sugar solution. Then what we learned as an example here. Same, salt in water, then sugar in water. Okay. Then give an example for a heterogeneous mixture. Maria Salbin. Maria. Okay, Rachel George.
Yes, ma'am.
Give an example for a heterogeneous mixture.
Ma'am. Soil mixture.
The two layers.
Ma'am, oil in water.
Very good. Oil in water. Then sand and water, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think the topics are clear.
Yes,
Clear,
ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I will
Yes, ma'am.
give you note in your WhatsApp
Okay.
group. Okay. Then I think there is one more class today, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we can discuss the portions later. Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.